Welcome to a wet Chessington World of Adventures. We are here and we're going to show you around the park for our July update. And we're starting here at the mini stage. Now we've shown you this from a distance, but actually it's quite nice to get close to it while there's nothing on. They've got meet and greets at Elmer today. But you can see some of the detail they put in here, even to the fencing around the back. This side fencing around the plants and things has been added just recently to stop people going on the grass. But yeah, it's a lovely stage. You can see it extends out the back as well for the actors and actresses. Much more improved. We've got actual bench in here. Really nice. Done it really nice. Yeah, at the moment this has got who's it got? It's got Elmer and Cocomelon. JJ and Cody meet and greet throughout the day. So here at Adventure Point we do get the stage that obviously goes up for a lot of the shows, which is currently down because the summer festival's not due for another couple of weeks. However, the big planters that have been here with the little seats have gone, and they've remained during the shows as well because they kind of had a bit of blockage. And you can clearly see on the floor where they were by the colour. We know it's a little bit of flooring that will need doing, but I don't know if they're being replaced or whether or not they've decided now that the stage may change, may need to be bigger, and actually build the stage to what they want rather than around these planters. But yeah, they've been removed. Always something in Mexicana, kick the bucket. It's just a little game, but it's been nicely themed, in fairness, into Mexicana. Sitting just inside, and we will go down and have our obligatory look at Scorpion Express. Now, since last month, the digital sign has been removed from Scorpion Express, and that's not to say that it's not being used for another ride, perhaps as a replacement, but you can see it is really overgrown, and actually we can still see the train is over there, but the weeds have really come through. The area is not being kept well at all over here. So poor old Scorpion sits here. The train is on the track, or most of the train is on the track. The understanding was it was coming back. I have to say it's going to require a little bit of work, but you know, it's not in complete disrepair by any stretch of the imagination. The ride had a lot of work done back in 2014 when it reopened, but it is interesting to see that the digital signage has probably been borrowed by another ride, but is indeed been removed. Here is the bridge that goes over to Zufari from Forbidden Kingdom. It has been removed from the digital map now. Quite a lot of work apparently is required, but if you want to go around there, you've got to walk around the other side. And the interesting thing is, it's quite a busy day at the park today because it's children groups. There's a lot of children groups here. Everything is on 30 to 60 minutes, but Zufari is on a 0-minute queue. I don't think it's found as easily as what it was before. So this is all the old rollers and bits. And some wheels as well, most likely from Tiger Rock. I have to say, I've never noticed this area before, but funny enough, we do have a new beam. I wonder if this was a little bit higher, but yeah. No, I like a behind the scenes parts. I'd take one of these home. I'd be happy with this as a souvenir. Maintenance work is ongoing all year round on these rides. Temple of Mayhem was open selected days, mainly weekends in honesty, leading into the summer. However, that is now closed right the way through till the 20th of July. But as you can see, some more work has been done on the exterior. There is still some work to do. It's still a little bit ballless, in fairness. They do need some new balls. The actual reason for the closure, to be fair, isn't known. They had a nice facelift with the rest of Wild Asia not that long ago. Just needs a little bit of a freshen up. It's been here now for a long time. But as you can see, work now has extended right the way along here, which wasn't done last time. So yeah, a little bit of a touch up, but reopening July 20th. Much like Fort Park, there is a new snow globe here. It is a bit smaller. There's a little penguin one, and there's one with the rides. There's also Jenga. I'm quite up for branded. I'm quite up for branded stuff. I don't like the non-branded stuff they got in here. These are quite cool, aren't they? It's a retro classic game, £12, £18 for the snow globe. Right, whilst we're in here as well, we've got some new Snap cards. I don't think we need to play Snap. We might be a bit old for that. They've got some playing cards as well. We just want some standard playing cards. And top trumps. Now, they're in different packaging. They might have been updated. Part of me wants to buy them. because I don't remember seeing them in this packaging. I do like to collect these. The old room on a broom is coming apart, but not to fear. Gruffalo Meet and Greet is coming soon. So the website has changed, and actually the Chessington logo has changed as well. We'll put that on the screen now so you can see what that looks like. And it's very sort of green in the background, likely promoting Gruffalo and Friends Meet and Greet, which will be coming very, very soon. We'll get a close-up look. Gruffalo Meet and Greet, all the fences have come down. There is also a Zufari sign this way with the new Chessington logo. This way to Zufari. Are we stopping? Are we stopping? Are we stopping? Oh. Here's the other side of Zufari. What do you think?
That was terrible.
It's hard. I just don't know anymore. I don't know.
I mean, there was nothing out which they can't help because of the rain, but like they didn't stop in the cave.
It's just,
there was nothing. They speed past all those rock carving announcements for like people that haven't been on it before. Like, must look at it and go.
It's so difficult. You know, I love Chessington. I'm always a big defender of Chessington,
Yeah,
but
I mean,
I've said it before. Just need to rip this out and put a really, really world-class zoo in this area. Even if we kind of decided they could keep the track, couldn't they? You could actually walk the safari track as it is now, take all signs of the right away, and it would just be, you know, amazing to go around and walk and have all that and just sort of rebrand slightly. Fingers crossed. Come on, Chessington. Frazzle is now hibernating for 2024. Got a little sign up. This probably hasn't been done recently, but we haven't walked down here in a while. But you can now read these signs. You definitely couldn't read those. Definitely couldn't read them beforehand. Right, we're heading to Vampire. To be fair, we've had a really good day, haven't we?
Yeah,
we've had a really good day in amongst this update. Now, it's very rare we actually venture into the hotel, but, you know, we saw something from outside today and thought, well, come and have a look. All the enclosures are gone. The park are celebrating 25 years of the Gruffalo as well, which is part of the reason why the new meet and greet area will be opening up the top. So some nice little Gruffalo things around. You can also get a little brochure on entry, which you can go around and see some of the various bits around the park. There's a few sort of models and things you need to hunt out. It's not for us anymore, we're past that. But if you are coming and like the Gruffalo, join in the celebration. Now, it's trivial, I know, but there's all new soap dispensers in there, which sounds silly, but last time we went in there, 2 of them had been ripped off the wall and the other one was empty. So that's really, really good to see. And that ends our update here at Chessington World of Adventures. We've showed you around the park, we've showed you some of the things that are going on, and there is quite a lot going on. Now, we're not done here. We're not done here. We are actually staying at the park a little bit later for something special. On Kurt, he's arranged that for us. But thank you for joining us. Please remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.